Hey guys, we are doing binary search right now. If you see, like here, we were going in order of n time, right? The complexity is order of n because we don't know. We have to iterate through everything. Just imagine that there is a huge long street, and you have to go each section by section, right? Each house by house, like. Uh, or for example, you have 52 cards, and uh, you have to go through each card, right? They're random. Now, what we have done in binary search is that we first sort it, just like you do in any book. Just like you are, like, if you want to search for a specific page in a book, you are assured that it's a sorted numbers from 1 to 300 to 200, how many numbers of pages are there. So you randomly pick a mid, and then if it's greater or less than, then you decide based on that. So binary search is the same way. I'm sure that you guys understand. We keep finding the mid and equal it to our number that we want to find. If it's there, then we just return the value. If not, then we just say okay. um, um, uh, we just say that okay, it's not it doesn't have that value, right? So again, this is our function, right? So you will have in this function, um, you will have a left pointer to this 0 index, a right pointer to this index, right? And then you say, give me the mid of this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 2, you take is 3.5. You take the upper bound. And so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The mid is 5. In here, the mid is 5, right? So the mid is 5. And if it's equal to the value that you want to find, good. If not equal to the value of it you want to find, then you apply the further logic, right? So we want to do this um, uh, continuously. So what you do is, beside this function will also, we will put a while condition, right? We will put a while condition here. This will implement, and then the while will come in. Inside the while, we'll find the mid value, right? While we'll find the mid value, and then we'll have our if condition inside the while. Inside the while, we will have our first if condition saying that if mid is equal to the value at mid is equal to our value, then we return, right? This is first. Else if it's not equal, if it's else if, which means this failed, if it's greater than our mid value, then we are assured that the value is at this end, right? If it's greater, I want to find 4, so I'm sure it's this end. So we move the the right pointer to here. And if it's less than, then we move the left pointer to here. And so this is the true condition, if it's greater than or if it's less than, and that's it. If this is our return value, if this didn't happen, these two will be implemented constantly. And if nothing is found, this while will give the control back to the function or that specific line, and then the next line will be implemented, and then you can return any value that you want, any kind of value that you are expecting or that you want. So in this way, you can think about it, that how we reduced the complexity, the time of the algorithm almost by half. So that's how you need to keep thinking about it, and that's how you will develop more faster algorithms. And just keep thinking about it. So here, because we reduced it by almost half, so the complexity will be order of log of n, right? We reduced it by almost half. You can, the calculation, I'm sure you guys have seen it in your algorithm courses, but the main point is how this can be put into code, right? You initiate this, the next line, so this is first inside the function, second, the third line comes in, you come to the while, and then you have this mid value that times, and again you're gonna update, and then this comes in. Here we have three conditions. If it's equal, then the function will stop, it will just return. If not, one of these will for sure happen, right? And when this while loop fails, it's just going to give control back to the next line, and it's going to implement. You can do anything ahead that you want. I think that's good, and I want you to code it. It's too time consuming to go ahead and start coding that as well, and it's not going to even help you in any way that you can find it online, but we just want to have a discussion on that. I mean, I can go ahead and start coding, but you do it yourself, right? Thank you so much.